What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you the most secure VPN to be using in 2018 and beyond. So I'm going to show you is going to blow you away, but we're going to be checking out NordVPN. I'll have a link in the description if you want to check them out. I'm going to log into my account in just a second here, but I want to pull up their main website here and just click on the features section so I can talk about some of these, security measures they have on here. All right, so anyways, the first one I'm going to talk about here is military-grade encryption. Basically, what they're explaining in here is that they're using security that governments use. All right, so I mean, they've got 256-bit keys, which in fact is used by the government to secure classified information and by the NSA to protect national security data. All right, so that's just one of the things they've got on here. I'm going to pull up another point that they have that they made on here, which was pretty interesting too. They've got double VPN. Now this is pretty interesting and it's pretty tricky. So anyways, basically what this is that when you're connecting to one of the servers on NordVPN, it basically takes you to a tunnel, which then redirects you to another VPN, which is actually insane. This is a super high level of security, and they're just doing this to ensure whoever's subscribed to Nord that you're going to be safe on here when you're connected to them. I've been using Nord now for, I want to say, somewhere between 6 and 8 months. I'm paying like $10 a month for them. They have cheaper plans if you decide to go for like a 1 year or I think a 6 month even. So, but anyways, I'm doing the monthly plan. I'd recommend to start off with the monthly and then go from there. Another thing that I love about Nord is that, they've got tons of servers to connect to on here. I think they have over 4,000 in total, which is insane. They've got a couple different ways you can connect when you're getting ready to connect to a VPN on here. They've got a map feature where you can just kind of like browse around here. Let's see what's up here. We got Canada. So there's going to be a quick connect feature that you can use. And even though I'm on iOS right now, whenever you're using Nord, this is basically what the platform is going to look like. Whether you're on Android, a Mac or a Windows, computer, it's always going to look like this. Whenever you're connected, it pulls up a new IP for you. It shows you your active connection. And, anytime I've connected to Nord, I never have issues like with it, freezing or cutting out. So it's always good on that end. All right, so another way that you can connect here is by pulling up all the servers. So it'll pull them up, alphabetically by the country. Let's check out some. Let's go down here. Really never tried to connect to Germany before. All right, anyways, anytime you click on any of these, countries, it's going to pull up the best VPN to connect to. So it sorts by the best ones, so you don't have to like worry about, connecting to a bad one, basically. Anyways, let me go back here. So you can pretty much just see, there's tons of different areas you connect to. Let's try Iceland. I think I've connected to this one before. Yeah, I mean, you can see how fast the connections are on here, too. You're literally connected within, seconds. The longest it's taken me to get connected to something on here, probably like 10 seconds. But, other than that, I mean, everything's always really smooth. So, if you're thinking about, using a VPN or, just getting into this type of service, I think Nord's definitely the place to be right now. I will also say that they're doing commercials on TV, which is pretty insane. So it's kind of crazy to see how big they've gotten in a relatively short amount of time. They've only been around since I think 2012, so they've been around for about 6 years now. But they're really accelerating fast. With just great software, great protection, and just a reliable platform for hiding your IP. And it's good to hide your IP. I mean, staying anonymous is good. You don't have to worry about Google tracking you or other people. And then of course you can access restricted websites not available in your country. You can fake your location. You can download movies and torrents, things like that, without getting hit up by your service provider. So there's just tons of reasons to be using a VPN. But if you're looking for the most secure VPN to be using in 2018 and beyond, Nord is on top of their game right now. So I talked about the military grade protection, and then you've got double VPN, which tunnels you through one VPN to another and encrypts it so nobody can track you. I mean, it's pretty insane stuff, guys. So I have a link in the description for Nord. Hit me up in the comments if you have any questions about them. You can also hit the like and share button on this video. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and we will see you all later.